Hello and welcome. This is Chandni Nebnani and you're watching It's Tomorrow News. At least 23 people were killed in Telangana in India on Wednesday after a deep depression passed over the state, unleashing heavy rain and widespread destruction. Heavy rain was reported in Andhra Pradesh, North Karnataka and South Odisha. Telangana's capital city Hyderabad bore the brunt of the heavy downpour, with many streets, especially in the old city, turning into virtual rivers. Wednesday went down as the rainiest day in the history of Greater Hyderabad, as the city received a month's rain on a single day, bringing life to a crippling halt. The city and its outskirts recorded 324.5 millimeter rainfall in just 24 hours, according to the Telangana State Development Planning Society. Since the deep depression was centered over Hyderabad, it led to torrential rains, but it was unprecedented as our observatory has never witnessed such a high amount of rainfall in October, said to the Director, Indian Meteorological Department. As the situation turned critical, the Army was called in to help in rescue and relief operations. The Indian Army and National Disaster Response Force on Wednesday joined rescue and relief work in the flood-affected areas of Hyderabad. On the request of the state government, the army took up rescue and relief works in Bandlaguda, one of the worst affected areas in the old city of Hyderabad. Heavy rains on Tuesday night triggered unprecedented floods in the city and suburbs, claiming at least 15 lives in separate rain-related incidents. While 9 people died in house collapse, 6 others were washed away in floodwater. An estimated 1,500 colonies were submerged due to extremely heavy rainfall. Boats were deployed to rescue people from some inundated areas such as Nadeem Colony in Toli Chowki. Roads turned into lakes, bringing vehicular traffic to a halt. Vehicles were also stranded on highways to Vijayawada, Bangalore, Nagpur, Warangal and Sri Sailam. Scary visuals emerged from flooded areas showing floating cars, streets turning into streams and people on rooftops waiting for help. Overflowing lakes, nalas and even drainages led to severe waterlogging. Hundreds of vehicles were damaged as water filled the cellars of buildings in affected areas. Hyderabad plunged into darkness on Tuesday night after the city was lashed by incessant rains. There were no power supply from 7 p.m. on Tuesday till late on Wednesday in several areas across the city. Apart from rising water levels, breaking of large branches and collapse of electric poles also led to diversion of traffic. According to a statement from the Defense Ministry, many stranded people have been evacuated and showing humanitarian values. The army also distributed a large number of food packets to people affected by the floods. Officials said at least 8 people got washed away in swirling waters and were missing till late on Wednesday evening. The video went viral and was later rescued by police with the help of locals. IMD retained yellow warning for 9 districts till Friday. The depression over Telangana has moved further west northwards and has no direct impact over Odisha. However, due to an upper air trough and prevailing wind pattern, thunderstorm activity with isolated heavy rain in some districts is likely to occur till Friday, an IMD bulletin said. That's all for now. For more news updates, stay tuned with us. It's Tomorrow News, Chandni Nebnani. For more weather updates, do like, share and subscribe our channel.